If you are a school administrator on your account, you have a few specialized features. Once you sign in, look on the left-hand side for the School Administration tab. From that window, you can go in and manage users within your school. From here, simply click Create User and enter your user's email address. Feel free to include a message letting them know what this email is and that it comes from you. We recommend keeping everyone in a teacher role unless you want them to be able to add and remove users from your school account. Once you're ready, click Create User and an email will be sent to them. Have them check their junk folder as it occasionally gets caught by spam. The email should be called MyStemKits Registration. Your users will then be able to click on the link in that email and come in and sign up for their MyStemKits account. The other features you have as an admin are in printer management. After you've added printers to your account, you can easily share printers with existing users. To do so, click Share Printer. You can then select from your users on your school account. Click on the checkbox and then click Share. Any printers you share will then be available on their accounts and yours. In that case, it's very helpful to make sure you name your printers both on the machine and in MyStemKits so that everyone knows which machine is which and which ones are available. If you have any questions getting your school account set up, do not hesitate to reach out either via email or the Support tab on the left-hand side. Thanks for watching.